Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. I am Pravin and in today's video let us see how to connect C compiler with Visual Studio Code. Without a further ado, let's get started. So open your web browser and type mingw distro. Okay, just enter and click on the first result. There you can see this mingw 18.0.exe. Click on it. It is a 97 MB file, so it will take some time to download. So after downloading, you can give extract and those things. Let me show you. Okay, mingw 18.0.exe. I have already installed it. Okay, I have already installed it. See here, I have already installed it. After installation, click on run. Okay, you will get this thing, this window, small window. You can take all of this and just leave this C:/. Okay, that's enough for us. Then click on extract. I have already extracted. So what you have to do is go to the file explorer, click on this local disk C. Here you can see mingw. Click on it and bin. Okay, double click on this. You will get the option to copy this. Just Control C and go and right click on the window, click on properties. Okay, click on properties. No, this. Okay, just I'll go to this PC and click on properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and click on path. Double click it and type new, Control V. Okay, you will get this. Okay, after that what we should do is go to Chrome and type Visual Studio Code. Okay, I am giving the link in the description, so do click on that and proceed the process. Okay, and click on this download button. Okay, it will download. It is about 79 MB file. So after downloading, proceed with all the processes and continue. So after downloading Visual Studio Code, I have written a whole C program, a small C program. Okay, to run this we should have two extension or one extension, only one extension, that is C++. Okay, type this in extensions. Okay, type this. So click on install and it will install all the things. And just type a simple C program. Okay, after installing, reload the Visual Studio Code and continue with the process. Okay, I am typing a simple C program. Hash include stdio dot h void main printf hello world. Okay, so you might be wondering, you can write this program in code blocks itself. Why we are using this Visual Studio Code editor? It's a very huge file. Why we are using it? So the reason is, in code blocks it is very difficult to get the suggestions. Like if I type hash itself, hash. Okay, if I type hash, I'll see. If I type I'm getting many options, right? If def, if and def, include, region. Okay, so if I type I'm getting elif, else num. Okay, so that's why we are using Visual Studio Code. We can type a very long programs, about 1,000 or 2,000 lines of program, and it would be very neat. If I click on this format document, the format will be so clean. The file will be so clean. Will not get any confusion. If I click on this main, it is coming here, and the UI also looks good. Okay, so so for this reason only we are using Visual Studio Code as our editor. So that's it for this video, and in the next video of C programming uh, playlist, I'll be explaining you about conditional statements in C programming, and after that we'll make a simple calculator application using C programming. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was useful for all of you. If you like this video, do like this video. If you don't like this, click on the dislike button and comment me in the video why do you not like this. And if you are facing any error in installation of C compiler, do let me know in the comments or let me know in the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the description. Do check it out. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and until the next video, keep coding.